Hello, it's me. Hey, thanks for being here. I wanted to share a thought today, and I've been thinking a lot about creativity, and the creativity arrives from the challenges in our lives. You know what I'm talking about. And first, a quote from John Quincy Adams. Patience and perseverance have a magical effect before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish. Yeah. Patience and perseverance have a magical effect before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish. You know, they say time heals all wounds. Not sure if there's a connection there. However, what I was getting out of this is that, how boring would life be if we never had any problems to solve? Some of you are saying, well, that would be really great. I have so much free time. What would we do what would we do with that free time, though? And I would argue that, what would we do if we didn't have the daily challenges, right? And then my thought process goes, necessity is the mother of invention. And the reason that we as humans can actually create and come up with new ideas, if you look at the source, it's typically because there's some pain or level of comfort that we want to remove from our lives. And once we decide that that needs to happen, then we start imagining, coming up this creativity cycle of how can I remove and eliminate this problem? So pain and suffering and comfort have a direct correlation with creativity in a lot of applications. So, there are a lot of people that are creative that are not doing it out of pain. They're doing it out of their own desire. It might be an internal pain, and it's the desire to create. So, how much progress has been made as a result of solving problems, big and small? I mean, it doesn't have to be a big problem to get creative about it, right? It can be any kind of problem. It's like, where do I find a parking spot? It doesn't really matter. I want you to, in the comments below, have you ever had a moment that you're really, really proud of the way you solved the problem? The creativity that you used to address some challenging situation in your life. Share that with the community and make sure that you think about creativity and you think about challenges in a much different way, because it's not only a learning experience, and it's an opportunity to create. So the tip of the day is use challenges and think of it more like an opportunity to learn, practice creativity, and discover how you can solve problems. So I'm Russ Johns, and you enjoy your day.